Hey everyone, welcome back to What's Inside the Bottle and Why It Works, a video series where we take a closer look at some of our favorite products, both new and old. On today's episode, we're looking at a really fantastic and somewhat new offering by NutraBio, their immune supplement. Now, it's pretty obvious from the name what this is meant for, but it actually has some unique ingredients that make it more than just a general immune support. But before we dive into the supplement, let's take a moment to talk about NutraBio as a company. They've been around since 1996, and they really changed the way their customers thought about supplements by 4 quality commitments. To never use proprietary blends and promise full label disclosure, to ban all fillers, excipients, and additives from any of their products, guaranteeing full therapeutic doses of every active ingredient, and manufacturing their own products to control every aspect of quality. So all of this means that you're getting a pure product with full label transparency. If it's on the label, it's in the product, so you know exactly what's inside. So with that being said, let's get back to Immune and one of the coolest ingredients found in this formula, Epicor. Epicor is a unique whole food fermentate that's made from yeast that actually goes through a fermentation and drying process. This results in unique metabolites including proteins, polyphenols, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, polysaccharides, fiber, and other nutrients. Now, we get that that's a lot of biological terms and it may not seem like a big deal, but human clinical studies on this stuff have shown over and over its ability to support healthy digestive function and year-round respiratory health. Now, because we know that the majority of our immune system stem from the gut, this means Epicor is working to truly strengthen your immune response to give you a great chance to fight against invaders. And if that was the only ingredient in this formula, that would be great, but there are actually 8 more incredible immune strengthening ingredients found in each and every dose. And next on the list is NAC. NutraBio NAC has been a staff favorite around here for quite some time and for really good reason. N-acetylcysteine is the supplement form of cysteine and is a precursor to glutathione, one of the body's most important antioxidants. NAC is also a powerful detoxifier that can help protect you from environmental toxins and is well known for its respiratory benefits as well. So it's a cost-effective, powerful nutrient that we think is worthy of any supplementation regimen. After Epicor and NAC, Immune still leaves us with a long list of powerful nutrients, including vitamin D3, another immune essential, grapeseed extract, ginger root extract, selenium, zinc, and copper. To be honest, we're really impressed by this product. It offers powerful immune strengthening ingredients at therapeutic doses. It's recommended to take 3 capsules a day, and a bottle gives you a month's supply. It retails for $39.99, but with your membership, you can snag it for just $34.99. We're still in the midst of a pandemic, and moving into the cooler seasons often means illnesses are on the way. Practicing proper hand washing techniques, keeping your hands away from your face, and in this season, practicing social distancing are all important. But this product paired with a healthy diet can really help you fight infection from the inside out. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let us know and leave us a like, and let us know what you think about this product in the comments, and tell us some of your favorite natural products for immune support as well. Be safe, stay well, and we'll see you next time.